that one. Okay, so then we'll complete first lambda and we'll see other things also. So what is a lambda? Lambda is a function, is a small anonymous function. Okay, lambda function can take any number of arguments, but you only can one expression. Okay, so normally if you write a function, you can write, okay, in normal functions like earlier we have done with the functions, right? So if you take a function, you can write a multiple arguments. You can pass multiple arguments to it through it. Okay, and we can write a different type of expressions on it. Okay, of course here it is very small expressions, but if you take more expressions, more programming, you can able to write it. But it is lambda is not like that. Lambda is only simply it is written very simple function. Okay, so we'll see what is how it is works. Okay, so for a simple expression, so you don't need to write a very big kind of. Of course, you have to open DLE. So usually I'll take either PyCharm or a VS Code. But last few classes I'm using only ideally for last batch and previous batches for maximum things I'm using ideally either directly or maybe through file. You know why? Because I prefer if you know the little programming knowledge, so you don't require exactly well, this kind of stuff. Okay, so exactly like a PyCharm and all not required. Also, if you can start using a Jupyter, also good thing. I'm trying directly what it is also. So x is just a variable, lambda, one argument. I put a plus 10. So print x. I given 5. See, if you see there's a suggestion in brackets a means if you give a 5 means a is equal to 5. A is equal to 5. So a plus 10 means 5 plus 10, 15. X value is like a 15. Like this is like function, not x value. It's a function. We can take more also. So x is equal to. We can use inside a programs also. A comma b. So two parameters. I put a plus b. We'll see. Print x. See a b. I mentioned two arguments means it is asking for a two a and b. Okay, so here it is, for example, 34, 12. So what it is saying? It is 34 plus 12. Okay, same thing, same expression. I can use it for number of times. That is the meaning of function, right? So that is 23 plus 66. No, not a plus, not a plus. A and B, A comma B. Okay, so different functions. So one expression, multiple parameters. You can take another one. So why I am taking A comma B comma C. Okay, I plus B minus C. Word mask kind of stuff. You can try that one also. So y, like you print y. So you have to give A, B, C, 3 parameters. So for example, 12, comma 45, comma So minus c, right? So like 77. Now it is become minus. No problem. So you can give anything. So 12 plus 45 is around. So it is 57 minus 77. So we'll get it 20. Minus 20. Okay. You can use like a multiplications also. Okay. So a plus b whole square you can try, like you can try. So z is equal to a comma b colon. So thing is a plus b whole square means star 2 like this. Print in bracket z 4 comma 5. 4 plus b whole square 9 square. Okay. A plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. And last time some people are, I think I've seen one interview. The people writing exam, IIT exam, something they are written. The lady, anchor lady, asked one question, that is a plus b whole cube. Okay, a plus b whole cube. Okay, suddenly they are unable to tell an answer. I don't know why. See, like this. I use a plus, they use a multiplications like this. Why use lambda function? So here it is. The power of lambda is better shown when you use as an anonymous function inside other function. Inside other function, like as a return, at a part of return. So say you have a function defined that takes one argument, and that argument will be multiplied with an unknown number. Okay. So there are giving doubler, tripler kind of stuff. You can try this one also. This is just an example part only, how to use it. Okay. So I thought you got understand of this one, this part of lambda.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can use your lambda function inside another definition. So instead of writing here, so I'm going to write in my file. Okay. So open where the file is located. So find it. It is in my projects. Okay, directly. Okay. So here it is. Define a function. I am defining some function, my function, something, and value like this. You can type anything, print n equal to. So function is finished. Function is finished. In generally, like okay. So what I am typing here, it is calling a function, right? So my function and value is, for example, 4. Run the function, first save it and then run it. So n value, okay, yeah, comma n. So we didn't given like this, right? So n value, run properly. So n is equal to 4. Okay, here it is. I am writing return lambda I taken A and A into N. And who will define A value? So we'll see that one. Run, we will get an say print only we are getting, but I didn't define what is A. One second. I give A here. We can't give. So 1 second, guys. What I'm missing here? 2. So 2 is N. Oh, it's a double calling. They done a double calling instead of defining like this. Okay, so instead of defining like this. Very good. That is. I said by 2. M2 is equal to my function 2. Okay, M3 equal to anything you can put it, just for understanding I'm putting. This is not at all working. So print. Okay, so you can print anything M2. In M2, if you call like this 2 is N, like this 3 is N. So I'm calling this A. So it is little complex. Okay, no problem. 33. Int M3 22. So what will happen? We'll see. It is showing N is equal to 2, N is equal to 3, 66, 66. Meaning is A is equal to 33, A is equal to 22. Okay, take a 44 here. So it is. This is how lambda function works. If you are using it here inside. Of course, you can use in a different ways also. Not only this way, also different multiple kind of stuff also you can try. Okay, so again I'm trying. Look at here, guys. So this is simply a function, and I told you can take an expressions like a into n, means what are the number you are given, that is multiplied by with n. Okay, that is the return value. That is the return value. So no, okay. So that is what I have given. For example, if you give my function, see n, I am giving n value, means n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2. So what I have done, I taken some variable. I said m2 is belongs to this particular calling function. M3, same my function, n value I am giving. Okay. So when I given M2, see it is saying a value. So if I give 55, the a value is 55, and M2, n value is 22. Okay, n value is 22. If you give a print statement, so it is print this function, output of that function. So it is okay. So that is the meaning. Okay. So this is a lambda function. So if anything is given for a lambda, okay, same thing only. Yeah, finally I've written like same thing only, nothing difference. Okay. If you want to put any other expressions also, you can try. Okay. So n comma m, a comma b, you can extend it. So a comma b, n comma m, a logical kind of stuff. Int n, m value. Okay. Return lambda m and n. So I can give two values. So m here. So something just like b into m. Okay, something this kind of functions also. So now I'm defining n is equal to 2, m is equal to 3. Okay. So like this, 55, 77. This is only M2 calling, not M3 calling. So only M2 calling. So this is some value came. So n is equal to 2, m is equal to 3. So 55 into 2, 77 into 3 plus. So it's a 110. This is 3. So oh no, we don't know. So what is 3? 77 into 3 is around 241 or something is there. 221, 231. 77 into 3. So 21, 1, 2, again 3 into 7, 21. So 231. 231 plus 110. 341. Okay. Like this also you can implement. Just for a program purpose, for just understanding and programming purpose. So you don't need to do this anything with this one, or you want to do anything with this one, that is your wish. Okay guys, understand somewhat at least how to use a lambda function.
Yes, sir.
Is saying Python arrays. Okay, Python arrays. It is nothing given except the list. If you see, Python arrays is nothing but a list. Python does not have built-in support of arrays, but Python list can be used. So if in case Python arrays are, so you can use list, but it is single row list only. So this is arrays is a single 1D array. If you want a multiple array like a matrix, you need a numpy library. Okay. This page show you how to use list as an array However, to work with arrays, really arrays, you want a library called numpy. Okay, so like this. This is Python arrays, but just it's a nothing but a list only. Okay, nothing but a list. These are all list options only. Okay, so point is, okay, you want a more about a arrays kind of stuff, go to numpy tutorial. Okay, so you will get a not this one, introduction. Nothing. I want some example to show you. Yeah. Like this is array, 1D array, 2D array, 3D array, how to define that arrays. Also you can able to do it from here. Okay. Yeah, this is about your functions and lambda function. I want to add something to it. Easy way. This is a math function, date function. Okay. So we'll go with a little about like a date is also very good. Okay, so we'll go with a math function just for fun. Just yeah. So why? Because of date functions, math functions. These are all built-in functions. Earlier, we define a function as per our requirement, but these are all built-in function. Lambda is a function, but math is a function which is built-in function like a lambda part. Date function, okay, it is also built-in one. File handling, related functions, these are all built-in functions only. Already built functions are there. So includes extensive math module that allow you to perform mathematical tasks on a number. So there's so many other functions inside. So one of the thing is minimum, maximum. Minimum, find a minimum and maximum number in it. It should be used to lowest or highest value in the iterable. Okay, so we'll try that one. I will go to the next one. So first we'll try this minimum, maximum kind of stuff. Why they define a minimum and maximum kind of stuff, I don't know. We'll take a list. X is equal to list I'm taking. I will try on list. This is print minimum of X. We'll try. After save as save. What is the minimum value? 16. Minimum value is 16. So see it is minimum value is 16. Print maximum value. It is minimum value. This is maximum value. You can put a inside a quotes also minimum value of X. This is maximum value of X or in X. That is completely yours. Okay. Minimum value of X or maximum value of X or minimum value in the X. Okay, maximum value in the x, like you can able to try. Okay, guys, understand math function. I didn't do any import math function, but it is directly it is working. Actually, you have to import it. Lot of functions are there built in, like a OS function is there. ABS returns absolute positive value of the specific number. Absolute positive number. Okay. Yeah. Okay. ABS, absolute positive number. It is nothing but if you do like a ABS minus 123, we should put this one in a print statement, right? So print. It is showing positive number, positive. For example, you have two numbers are there. Okay, so A is equal to 100, B is equal to 134, 234 or something. You put a print A minus B. So what output you will get it? Minus. Okay, so what I have done, ABS. So whether you are getting a minus value, it will show you as a plus only. For example, here A is bigger, B is smaller, so positive number only. But here it is positive number only it is showing. So either it is output is negative or a positive, you'll get a positive only. Okay, this is another one. Okay, it is already given something, so I am giving. Given with the float number, it is absolute positive. Okay, so then that is completely different from here. Not different, so it is. Okay, same only. When you given a float value, minus become plus, plus become minus. No. Whether it is plus or minus, it treated as a plus only. Okay, treated as a plus. Next one is power. Okay, power. Like normally we use power is like a star star 3, star star 4 like that now. So in this one we use this power like this. Okay, power function. How t comma 2 means 3 to the power of 2. 3 to the power of 2. Or 4 comma 3. 4 to the power of 3. 64. 4 into 4 into 4. Wow. 9 to the power of 2. 81. Wow. 3 to the power of 3. 27. Wow. 17 to the power of 3. Okay. So this is power functions. So very simple, x greater than y. Okay, it is a x greater than y. Of course, if you write here, you don't require print statement. If you write here, you require a print statement. Okay. Okay, so this is a math module. So this is a math value. This is a direct math functions, math-based functions we are used, but you can use based on a math function. So you can find a square roots. Okay, we can find a square roots. So nearest integer. Okay, floor method round the downwards to nearest integer. This is upwards. This is downwards. Okay, so pi value. So there is a lot of things are there, mathematical reference, but these three things we'll try. Not only these guys, OS functions, some other things also there. So we'll try this one. Okay, it is a built-in function. I will take everything. I will do it and I will show you one by one. So why we require this? This is finding a square root. Okay. Write some example programs, not just leaving like that. Okay. Finding a square root. First of all, you have to import the specific function. Whatever the function you are there, like a sys function, OS function, tkinter function, whatever it is, first import the function. If it is a built-in function, so no need to use a PIP. Okay, simply directly type import function, whatever it is. The function is already built into your Python, so then it is just import the function. Okay, and find out anything like a sprint math dot square root. So first one is said like a square root, right? Square root of what? Square root of what? Something like a 81. So they given example 64. I'm using 81. Okay, square root of 81 is 9. Square root of 81 is 9. Square root of 100, that is we have well known, that is 10. Okay, like that. Any well known square roots? There we missed something. How much square root of 11? No, 121. That is 11. Okay, like that we can able to find it, or you can put it in a any function also. Direct also you can give, or you can apply on any functions also. For example, a plus b, square root of a plus b. Like how to write that one? A is equal to something 10, b is equal to something like a 34, or you can take in as an input also. Okay, x is equal to math dot square root of a plus b and print x. Some value we got it. So 10 plus 4 is 44. It is become a 44. So if you got a proper number, then it is you will get a some square root kind of stuff. Okay. Yeah, like it is we can use in a finding a quadratic equations, you know, pi r square kind of stuff. So what is that? You have a triangle, right angle triangle AB, R is there now, hypotenuse. hypotenuse formula like this. A, B, C. C is equal to square root of A square plus B square. Okay, in Pythagoras theorem. Okay. What is C value? What is B value? Like this. So we'll try this one, Pythagoras theorem, in this one. Okay, simple. We apply that kind of stuff on A value, B value. So take it as a integer input. A equal to integer value. A input. Okay. So what is C? C is A square. Not that much. A square plus B square. Now square root of C. Square root of C. Okay. So what you will do? Use Pythagoras theorem to calculate the sequence. So like this, take this thing, put here, import max leave like that. So I put a very big line, right? So then what to do? Put a right other hashtag. So these two are become a comments. Now you can see. Save, run. Some syntax error. Yeah, here it is. Okay, if you got an error, first of all, check it there. So A value, for example, so we have to take real examples to do it. Okay, so A value is, for example, 4. B value is 6. Then C value is, so X is the square root of C. Then I said it is now it's this is hypotenuse. Okay. For clarity, like this is still you can see 5 square means 25. 6 square means 36. 25 plus 36. 81. No. 7.8. Okay, no problem. So 25 plus 36 is 51. No, 61. Not 81. Okay. So whatever it is, we got a output. So like this, you can write Pythagoras theorem. See, it is where we are written here. I think See, so this is a round off also the given. Round off, upwards round off, and downwards round off. So we'll see that outward round off or downward round off. Okay. Import math. Okay, so I will take this one only, accept this. Almost same, like little different. So I put a average AVG is equal to A plus B divided by 2, right? That is average. Now X is math dot ceil AVG. Y is equal to math dot. So it is there. Upward, yes, ceil, and another one is floor. AVG. Okay. Here in this one, so I put a AVG AVG CL X floor Y. A value 45, P value 66. It is 55.5. It is upward, means above 656. Below, like it's exactly 50%. So we don't take a decimal value. We have to round off. So upper round off, down round off. Okay. If you take different values, then we'll also that see. Okay. So I will take above value 55, 66. Yeah, same only. So upper round off, down round off. So we'll take 50. We'll take an odd number like a 57. Now, anyway, divided by 2, right? So it is a divided by 2. It is upper round off, bottom round off. It shows like that. We got the point anyway. Divided by 2, it is. It is like a means point kind of stuff. We won't get it. Okay. 55, 53, 66, 34. It is exact number like that. You take in stuff to, I put a 3. Not definitely point kind of stuff we are getting. So then we'll see the kind of stuff. Okay, so 50, 53. So it is the value. It is round off. 54.3 upper round off is like a 50. Sorry. 34.3. So 35. Bottom 34. Like this. Also, you can able to write. Use 2 actually. You can use 3 also no problem. 4 also no problem. 4 is also good. 4 is also good. Okay. Otherwise, you can use A plus B plus 3 like a average. This is the really average. It is C value. Also take C value input. Put integer C equal to So this is easy because more clarity we will get it. Round of clarity. So 50% instead of 50%. 22, 33, 44. No. So take an exact good words like this. 27, 62. Okay. Upper round off, bottom round off. So we can take an example and we can implement. Implement as per our requirement. Finding average and round off the average. Put that hashtag also. Here it is like find average of three numbers and round off the average. Same statement if you will like this. It's all about how you manage, how you put it. Okay. It is displaying that one. First of all, put a some number 12, 13, 14. Not this one. This one is right. So one more is there. That is a pi. How to use pi also it is showing. So we'll try pi. Leave it now. X is equal to math.pi. Change x value. So this is the pi value. So you want only this value. Also you can round off it also. Not a round off. So we'll take only this decimal value, not all the float value. Also we can able to manage. Okay, only float dot two kind of stuff. Just like here, a value percentage df 2f. I think so. We'll see. No. Something I'm missing. Sorry. So like a square bracket, something I have to give. I didn't give in. No. It is not taking like that. It will take from here to here. Format. Okay, it's my mistake only. So okay. There is a different way of printing methods are there. So of course this is a one way, but I exactly point to or D or something is there. Nothing. Okay, so no problem. So we'll see the print statement again. This is a pi value, so we can try formulas like circle, area of circle. Okay, what is the area of circle? Pi r square, right? So the area of a circle is pi r squares. So x is like a pi r. So r is equal to into enter radius. Next, we have to print like this. Okay, so we have to put a math function is pi. Then very simple, pi r square. Pi is a x value. Pi into r square. To area of a circle and area of circle. X error. So area circle is 6. So this is area of a circle. Area of a circle. Radius is r. 2 pi r square or pi r square, we'll see. So radius and r, pi r square only. So I given a 6, right? So I given a 6. See, same value or not? You get different value or same value? What is 2 pi r square? Distance around the circle. Okay. So we can try it like this. From there only we can implement one or two things. So no need to do any super magic kind of stuff also. Okay. Yeah, I said no. We can limit a number of decimals. Like you have to go to print tutorials. Better go to any print related tutorials. Then you will understand how to print it. So usually you will find from here on. I think I forward those kind of stuff also. Format kind of stuff is also there. No, this is pretty straightforward. So then you find it. Usually I don't more trust on those things. So input output file handling. Where is this picture? Like this is formatting is there, no? Same thing goes like that format some. My mistake. It's okay, leave it. Dot format kind of stuff. I'm not doing that much. I've taken a lot of time, more than 1 hour. Okay, so this is one is lambda function, another one is a math function. Up to now, just take a break and come back. We'll jump into these classes and all. Okay. So if we have a time, we can see other things also. So where it is, no one is speaking anything. Okay. Stop.